Hello and welcome back to Ian's Gadgets. Now, if you are a Samsung front-load washing machine user, you must have encountered an error code while using your washer. When washing machines do display an error code, in most cases they cease operating, they stop doing laundry until the error code is fixed. Now, error codes do play an important role of making sure your washing machine stays in good condition. So in today's video, I'll take you briefly through some of the common error codes you are likely to encounter when using your Samsung front-load washing machine. So I'll begin with the SUD error. Now, if your washer displays the SUD error code, it's an indication that you are using too much detergent or the wrong type of detergent. So if your machine is displaying the SUD error code, you have to make sure that you're using the right type of detergent. For instance, if your machine is a high efficiency machine, you need to make sure that you are only using HE, high efficiency detergent. Even if you're using a HE detergent, it is important that you avoid using too much detergent, because too much detergent will always result into a SUD sink condition. Okay, so it's important that you just use the correct amount of detergent. Now, sometimes, and according to my experience using this machine, a clogged filter could also result in you receiving an SUD error. You have also to make sure that you clean your filter, because a clogged filter will also result in your machine displaying the SUD error code. Now, I've done a comprehensive, exhaustive video on the SUD error and how to fix it, so I'll leave a link in the description so you can go watch. Another common error you are likely to encounter using this machine is the 5C or 5E error code. Now, a 5C error code on your Samsung front-load washer probably means that your washer has encountered a drain issue. Now, this could be as a result of a clogged pump or a kinked drain pipe. To fix this error code requires you to make sure that the drain hose is installed correctly. Also, you should clean the debris filter . The 4C4E error code is an indication that your washer has detected an issue with water supply. This could be as a result of a blocked, bent or kinked water hose. It could also mean that the water does not have enough pressure. Now, to solve this error, first make sure that your water tap is turned on. Next, check the water pressure. I can see that there is water, but you see, the problem is the pressure is too low. So if the pressure is too low, again, your machine is also going to give you the 4C error. So in my case, I need to look for a way of how I can provide a machine with water from a source that has enough pressure. So when I open this, you can see the kind of pressure I'm getting. Lots of pressure, lots and lots of pressure. Yes, you're still receiving the 4C error. Now, that could mean inlet hose could be bent or kinked. So it's important for you to make sure that your inlet hose has no bends and is not kinked. And third, clean the inlet valve mesh filter. That way you will probably be able to solve this and fix this error code. Pull straight like this. Now I just use my brush, gently and brush to remove all the debris, all the particles from the screen. I just brush and make sure that I remove all the particles. Another common error code on Samsung front load washing machine is the DCDE error code. Now, a DC error code on Samsung front load washing machine means that your washer won't spin because the load is unbalanced. Now, to fix this problem requires you to redistribute the load or add a few garments to a single or small load. Also, it's important to make sure that the door is firmly closed, and also to check to make sure that laundry is not caught in the door. If you experience a UC code, that would mean that the power supply is unstable. Now, if the voltage of the supplied power is unstable, the washing machine will be paused to protect its electric devices. If the correct voltage is supplied, the cycle will resume automatically. Now, I have done exhaustive, comprehensive videos on how to fix these Samsung front load error codes. I learned this the hard way, from experiencing these problems and looking for how to solve them. So I've done comprehensive videos. I'll leave their respective links in the description box so you can go check them out. Hope they can be of some help. We've come to the end of today's video. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. Also, smash that like button and support your bro here. I'll truly appreciate. See you in the next one. Bye bye.